Hey guys, we are doing another DIY with Dad episode, and we are going to glue our recycle bin. It's cracked right over here.
A bit of a crack. Here it is at the top.
Over here.
Yeah.
And yeah, we're going to glue it together.
Just the bin.
Yeah.
But the interesting thing is this. So what we're going to do is you get two of these glues that you can get at any hardware.
Yeah.
And it's called epoxy.
Epoxy.
And you mix the same amount of this one with the red cap and this one with the white cap. So you're going to take off the red caps. And we're going to mix. Now we have this piece of steel. You can use any piece of steel because you can clean the epoxy off steel. Even if you have a ruler, you could do it on. You could do it on a steel ruler.
Yeah.
Just on any steel surface. So
we got our two glues, and then
you're gonna just do the one at a time. And you're gonna squeeze a blob. Squeeze a blob
like that.
Yeah, a little more, because we gotta have. Look, you have to see how much you need. We're gonna need to put lots inside there as well. So squeeze some more. Squeeze some more. The trick is that you do exactly the same amount. So put this one down, and then you squeeze that out. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. That. Go a little more, little more, little more. Okay, good. Now make sure you put the same cap on, the white cap onto the white one. That's fine. Good.
The white cap.
Yeah, because if you mix them, then that cap's going to stick forever. Because this glue works by mixing together, and the one makes the other one hard. So it becomes solid glue by only mixing it. Otherwise, it will always remain soft in the tubes.
Oh, okay.
Here's your cap for that. Now you need to put the same amount. So you look at the same volume and you squeeze it, you squeeze until...
This one looks lighter.
Yes, it is a little different color. Make sure you put the same amount. I think you need a small little blob more. Very little. Good. Good. Close that lid. Now you're going to mix it with
this, popsicle stick that you ate an ice cream from. Or...
Yeah, keep it all together so that you're not losing it. You're just going to make sure that it's all mixed. Now, if you mix it for too long, it'll get too hard. But if you mix it
so you just gotta
for a short while,
circle round and circle. You just take it on.
And you're going to squeeze that inside.
Then just like
just a dab right in there. Yeah, and at the bottom, you go around that side. Yeah, get it, squeeze it in there at the bottom.
Have you done this before?
Done a bit of gluing before.
You've glued my shoes together.
Glued your shoes. We've used glue, but you use different glues for different types of purposes. This glue you can use when you want to build up a body. So it's not just gluing the pieces
so it's like
together.
Bones.
You want to build up a base.
That we've got.
Yeah, get it in the bottom there as well.
So you just
between those ones that I'm holding.
Yeah.
That's it. Good. It's a quick fix.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Are you getting it in everywhere?
Yeah.
Okay. Up here by my fingers, I'm gonna hold this one.
More glue.
Yeah, you can get this glue off steel, so I'm gonna hold that one with the ruler and you get it in there. Let me turn this a little. Get everybody to see the glue being put on. There we go. Okay, you think you got it?
We need to slide it into the crack.
So you slide it into the crack.
Slide it into there.
That's it.
To the crack of the...
Okay, so let me hold it this side here. Okay, you got it. Did you slide into all of the cracks down at the bottom?
I think I did.
Let's check.
It's on there. Just keep gluing, just keep gluing.
Just keep gluing, gluing. Okay, so I think we're going to close it. Now, so what we're going to do is just press that down. Get it all back to where it was before.
And then you
this has got a...
smudge it over.
There we go. So you're going to clean that off now.
Coating out.
Yeah. I'm going to get a small little cloth.
Make sure to subscribe. Is there?
And if you get any glue anywhere, you can wipe your fingers. Wipe it while it's still wet, not when it's dry because it gets all sticky. Look, there's a hole.
There's a hole.
Yeah, look, there's a hole there. So you're going to want to close that hole. You're going to get a little dollop of glue and you're going to want to close that hole. That's it. Put a blob in there. There we go. That's it.
This is fun.
Yeah. Get a blob in there. Squeeze it in. That's it. There we go. Dear Liza, there's a hole in my bucket.
What about there's a hole in my elbow, dear Liza?
Yeah, in your elbow.
There's a
That's it,
hole
scratch
in
it
my
off.
elbow,
Did you get that hole?
dear Liza, yeah.
Okay.
There's a
Good.
hole in my
Okay,
elbow,
that's the
dear
outside.
Liza, dear Liza.
What we're going to do now is just take a bit of just a small cloth and just wipe off any excess glue if it's just all over the place. I'm going to tape it.
Tape.
Yeah, we're going to get some masking tape. We're going to put some masking tape on.
Make sure it's masking tape, not duct tape.
Well, you can use a few duct tapes. You can use duct tape.
Masking tape.
But this is cheap.
Masking tape is.
There you go.
Is
Get another piece.
It's cheaper. Oh, what must I do with this?
You got to put it on. You got to just keep it together.
I thought you just gave it to me for a present. Because
Present?
just to know, it's my birthday today.
Today it
It's
is
my birthday.
Rae Vida's 8th birthday. Today, happy birthday, my girl. There you go. Nice. Pratley's putty.
Putty.
Pratley's putty. And this is called Pratley's putty. But in actual fact, it is epoxy glue. So there you have it. Epoxy. There you have it. Mix the two, put it in, patch your hole, and we've got a fixed bucket. See you next time. DIY with Dad.
Make sure to subscribe.